So some of my favorite lead magnets are master classes. Like you just go, you give them the email address, you put it in the very next page you land on, they give you a video to watch and you learn something, and it's just basically a free video. And I like those when the videos are basically less than 20 minutes ideally, so I can learn something, have a quick win, have a nice, learn something. I'm just repeating myself. So the other ones that I love, and oh my God, they're so insanely good and they convert so well, are quizzes. I don't have one yet. There's a couple of quiz experts in my network. I have seen them both have incredible results. They do different types of quizzes, so depending on your needs and style, I can drop their links below if you're interested, or you can DM me and I can point you in their direction. For both lovely ladies. So a quiz where people like take your quiz and at the end they give you your email address. Those are so hot and like insanely effective.